Hey my beauties, hey my bees, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Beauty, and here on my channel I like to think of the women that follow me as beauties and the men that follow me as bees. So if you want to be a part of the beauty gang, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. It's that simple. It's my birthday, so this is just a lift off from my birthday vlog. It's the same day, got the same outfit. Aaliyah.
Hey y'all.
We're at my old high school I used to go to in 9th grade in San Antonio. We just at the empty parking lot. So I'm gonna be teaching Aaliyah. She wants to drive. I need to move back over that way because I think that's a dead end. We can't go that way. So I need to go to the bigger part of the parking lot. And we're just gonna drive around, and y'all pray for me that I make it out alive. All right, she's gonna get in the driver's side. Okay, when you get in the car, what is the first thing you need to do, ma'am?
Put on your seatbelt.
Okay. Let's calm down the excitement, okay? This is very serious business. Hold on, close the door and wait, close the door and let the window down. Let the window down. Now what you need to do is you need to adjust all of your mirrors. This side, no ma'am. That's not how you do it. You don't do it manually,
no.
Okay? There's a button right here. And you can put it on left and you can put it on right. See how it says the L and the R? So that way you can adjust your mirrors. And what do I mean by adjust? What do you think you're looking for when you adjust your mirror?
See the cars behind you. I don't need to adjust it. It looks fine. But yeah.
Okay, but can you see out of that mirror?
Yeah.
Can you see behind you?
Yeah.
And you need to adjust your mirror, not looking in the back seat, but looking in the rear view. No, I'm saying when you adjust your mirror, it's not pointing in the back seat, it's pointing in the back out, so you'll be able to see. Okay, so everything is adjusted.
How you scoot this up? I feel like I'm far away.
Underneath. There you go. And then you can let the back, your back part, you can let this up right there. No. Oh, jeez. Oh, God, that's how you drive? Okay. Let me get in. Just don't kill me, okay?
Yeah, I'm fighting for my life.
Let me put my seatbelt on. Love and no music. We need to focus, okay? All right. Do you know which one is the? Sorry. Do you know which one is the brake and which one is the gas?
This one is the brake.
No, ma'am.
I mean, this one's the
no,
brake.
ma'am.
The gas.
Do not press that one. That's the brake. That is gas.
This is the gas. This is the brake. Okay.
Yes. So when you drive,
you put the brake in.
You don't. No.
Put it in drive.
Just when you're driving, you don't have to have both feet on each pedestal. Normally, I use my right foot and I just maneuver with both. But I mean, if you have it there, you can place your feet there, but don't be doing this. Like you see my feet down here, don't be doing this. Brake, gas, brake, because that'll make the car. You can just put it on there just to rest your foot. But normally you rest your foot on that little, see how that one? Yeah, and then you just use one, whichever one you comfortable with. You comfortable more with your right or you comfortable more with your left?
My right. But
you left-handed, so I don't know about your feet. Okay, so you will put your foot on the brake. And then you put the car in drive. Drive. Is it in drive?
Yeah.
Okay, and you ease off the brake. Ease off the brake. And you give it a little bit of gas. And then you turn. Okay. Just don't hit it. It's a speed bump. When you go over a speed bump, you have to slow down on the brake part. Like, keep your foot on the brake, but like let the car cruise itself over the speed bump, if that makes sense. There's a speed bump right there. Let's try that speed bump. Just a little bit. But let the car keep rolling. Ease up. You see how that's doing? Boom.
Okay.
Boom. Just like that. Now turn. Turn. Go ahead, turn this way. Okay. We're gonna try parking. You see where that paw print stop right here?
Right there.
And you see that first?
Sorry.
Don't jerk my neck now.
Sorry.
See that first little parking spot right there? So we're gonna try to park
right
straight. No, right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to park straight in there. Ease in there. Turn. Keep turning. Because you're going to go over the white lines. You got to be in between. Now stop.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Jesus. Okay, stop.
Good look.
Alexa, rub. Let me show you. I'm gonna have to show you real quick. You need to pay attention to me. Let me show you. Brake, put your car in drive, and then you see my foot on the brake. I'm not just doing this and hurrying up. I'm letting it ease because it don't need to go that fast because I'm just trying to park. And then you know you just barely press down on the gas. You was doing like this. Just ease, barely press on the gas. Barely press because you don't want to go too fast, then you hitting other cars. And then you just slightly put your foot on the brake and stop. You don't just, you'll wear your brakes out if you do that all the time. You just slightly press it.
Okay.
And then put the car in park. Well, let me show you again. Go to the next one.
Go to that one.
Put your car. See, you don't gotta pass up the parking spot. Just ease on in there. Start easing on the brake. Now, I mean, it's not good now, but that's how they do. They have rear view cameras. If you want to do reverse, and you see how they have that red line right here, they have two green lines. It'll show you that green line and that green line. You need to be in the middle, and that red line is, I don't know, I guess that would be past the mark in between. You see how that white line is straight right there? You're supposed to be in those boxes, so I guess that would be like that white line. So we're gonna reverse to that parking spot right there. You see how them two white lines, but you see how them two greens, they trying to align you with those white lines with those greens. And that white that's going straight right there, that's the red part. So it's gonna tell you if you're going past it. So you just line up like that. See how it's keeping you in line? Right. Put your foot on the brake, whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay. Car in drive. And we're gonna go to that one. Yes, and we're gonna park. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to charge my camera because the battery is exhausted, so I can hold it up so far. Okay. In between the lines. Brakes.
I'm not even hard on it though.
Now. Okay, now put the car in park. Don't do the park so hard. Put it back in drive. Now put it in park. Just go, not so hard. You don't have to throw it. There you go, just like that. Don't. Okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna reverse so we can park in that parking spot again. So go ahead and put the car in reverse. Okay. What's reverse? Which letter?
The R.
Okay. Slowly. You can pay attention to that. But when you take your driving test, they ain't got that. They want you to be looking in the mirrors. They don't want you doing the camera. But go ahead, keep it straight. You don't have to turn. You don't have to turn. Just keep your wheel straight. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Now keep straight like that. You see how the emblem right here is facing you is not upside down? See the emblem? If it's upside down, it's making your wheels turn. Okay. Keep that in the middle. Now just keep going straight. Keep going straight. See, when you park, you don't want your nose, which is like the front of your car, to be all hanging out in the front. And they be like, what idiot park right here? I could have turned your car up. Okay, now we're just going to drive around. Where you going?
How it look?
Oh, well, she want to see. It's in the lines. I mean, it's kind of where that little white thing is, but... All right, I found a little sign and a cone, so we're going to try parallel parking. You know what parallel parking is? When you park in between. I might need to pull the cone back a little bit. But let's see. Okay, Liv's gonna parallel park. Turn your wheel. Start reversing. Nope. Yeah, turn your wheel that way. No. Drive up. Drive up. Start turning your wheel towards me. Turn it towards me. Stop. Keep it stopped. And put your car in reverse. Start reversing. Start reversing. Keep reversing. Keep going. Turn again. Keep turning. Turn it towards me. Towards me. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Reverse. You ain't moving. What are you supposed to do? Put the car in drive. See, it's better if you, like I said, make your car go past this on the side of it a little bit. That'll make you get straighter in your parking spot. Make it go straight. Put your tire straight. Straight. Now, put your car in reverse. Cut your wheel towards me. Reverse. Reverse. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. She missing the mark, child. Straighten your wheel up and go straight. Straighten your wheel up and go straight. See, you gotta watch again. Watch again. Let me show you again. That's why I told you it's better if you go past this and then reverse into your parking spot. It's way easier. Let me show you. Trying to play me like, y'all, I'm good. I'm good enough. Anyways. I'm not saying you're doing bad. I'm just saying you gotta pass up the car you're trying to get behind. Pass it up. You want to start turning your wheel towards the street. Between the car and the parking lot. Reverse the car. Start turning your wheel towards that way. All right, we're gonna do parallel one more time. Because you have to pass this or they will not give you your driver's license. This is very serious business. Now let's start driving.
That's good without the cones.
Without the what?
Without the
no, ma'am. They don't have cones at the test, girl. Come on.
This one was way easier. I could just go straight.
Yeah, but they gonna have cones. And they want to see if you're gonna hit one of them. Drive. Turn your wheel. Turn. Just go. Just drive. Okay, now stop. Reverse your car. Pay attention. Okay. Just start turning it this way. This way. Reverse. Start going back. Start going back. Start going back. Remember, you gotta look at two different cars. Don't go so much. Turn. Turn. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Reverse. Reverse the car. Reverse the car. Reverse the car. See how you got. All right, we survived. She did a good job. We just gotta work on the parallel parking because y'all know if you got your license, they is not gonna pass your ass unless
it's their fault. Cause how I'm supposed to learn how to drive without a driver?
Without a driver?
Without a car.
Ma'am, you need to learn, and they're not gonna give you your license if you don't. It ain't my fault. We teaching you right now.
Barely.
You just need to learn. That's all. You won't get your license, ma'am. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, you are beautiful. Catch you in the next vlog.
Bye, guys.